Alright, hey guys, we are back here at a friend of mine, my mom's house, not my mom's house, a friend's house, a good neighbor of ours. We have some Chamberlain garage openers to look at, and as you can see, these are belt drive. There's the remote, there's a sensor. Let's see if I can get through here without getting hurt. There's a sensor down there. You can't see it good. There's another one over here. There's a sensor there. Sensor there. There's the wall button. There's the wall button. There's the light. One of the bulbs running out. Let's go blue light. Here's the remote. And then here's another garage opener. Here's another one. See? Light. That thing is the light. Alright, so we're going to start by running them up. Now here we go. Now listen to these doors. These are really quiet. In 3, 2, 1, open. Just how quiet that thing is. Now we're gonna, you know what? I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to go around here. And here's the other one. Here's the other one now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, open. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show you the outside of the garage. So alright. So we'll start with this one right here. Let's go over here. Here we go. Now I'll do the other one over here. And over here's a keypad. See, now this keypad's programmed to each door here, so see? So I can, so I go over here. Oops. Let's see. Let's try again. Oops. I'll have to figure it out later. I don't want to waste time. So run back up. We'll do this one first. Now I'll do the other one. Alright. After this, I'm going to stop the video. I don't want to burn the motor out on these. I don't want to get in trouble, so I'm going to... There's the sensors. Okay. Let's demonstrate the sensors here. See, let's see if they... Oh yeah. Now I'll put this one back down. That's gonna be it. Okay. It's a belt drive. It's really nice. It's really quiet. Now we'll go put the other one down, and that's gonna be it. properly. Alright, there's your learn lock button. That open closes that program's remote. That locks and that turns the light on. Alright, we're gonna put the door back down. I don't want to burn the motor out. Okay. I don't want to break the door. Alright, gonna put it back down until then. That's gonna be it. Alright. And that's a very nice opener here. Alright. Alright. Well, there y'all go. These are nice new openers. Hope y'all enjoyed. Until then, that's it.